Assalamualaikum friend, welcome to Tech to Learn. So if you are new on my channel, so please like, comment and share. Today our topic steps for the conservation of biodiversity. Conservation of biodiversity has become a global concern. Biologists argue the national policy maker to state a set of rules necessary to protect a species. They demand that laws should define species which are threatened by extinction and must be protected. Though rich in biodiversity, many countries faces severe threat to its animal and plant species. The greatest concern is the loss of natural habitats. Main cause of this loss are rapid growth in human population and the prevailing poverty in rural areas. In addition, low literacy rate is also a reason for the failure of conservation measures taken so far. The International Union of Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources and the World Wildlife Fund work in close coordination with the Pakistan Ministries of Environment and other government and non-government institutions. The IUCN has prepared for the first national red list. Following are a few examples of environmental work that has been carried out in Pakistan in order to conserve species and associated habitats. Number one, National Conservation Strategy. In 1980s, IUCN and the government of Pakistan formulated the National Conservation Strategy for Pakistan for the conservation of Pakistan's biodiversity. Number two, UN Convention on Combating Desertification (CCD). This is an international treaty against damage and poverty in dry lands. Pakistan signed this in 1997. Number three, Himalaya Jungle Protect. It started in 1991 in the Palas Valley in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. It aimed at protecting one of the richest area of biodiversity in Pakistan. Number four, conservation of biodiversity of the Suleiman Range by Balochistan. Suleiman Range Chilgoza forest is the largest Chilgoza forest in the world. In 1992, the worldwide started its conservation program. Number five, Northern Areas Conservation Project. The northern areas of Pakistan serve as a habitat for a number of wildlife species. The survival of these species is under threat. The NACP Northern Areas Conservation Project, which is successful in implementing a ban on the hunting of these species. Number six, conservation of migrating birds in Chitral KB. Chitral lies on a migratory route of several important bird species. These birds face enormous hunting pressure. Wise finding Pakistan initiated effort to reduce the hunting pressure in 1992. The effort proved successful. Number seven, conservation of chitan markhor. Hazarganji National Park is located close to Quetta and is the only remaining habitat of chitan markhor in the country. WWF Pakistan developed the management plan of the park. Number 8, ban on game. Foreign visit the northern areas and play many games in which bears are used. WWF Pakistan has been successful in imposing a ban on this illegal practice. Next topic, endangered species in Pakistan. Due to human activities, the biodiversity in Pakistan is facing a great loss. Here are few examples of endangered species in Pakistan. Indus dolphin. According to WWFP, only 600 animals of the species of Indus dolphin are left today in the Indus River. The population of this species declined due to water pollution, pushing the destruction of the habitat. Macro polo sheep. Macro polo sheep are mostly found in the Khunjarab National Park and nearby areas. Their number have been rapidly decreasing in the last 2 decades, and WWFP has started projects for its conservation. Cobra bustard. This bird flies to Pakistan in winter season from former Soviet territory and settles in Cholistan and Thar deserts. The decline in its population is due to hunting by foreigners and destruction of its habitat. Analyzing and interpreting. By this activity, we will test our ability of making a graph for available data. We should also be able to analyze and interpret the graph for drawing conclusion. Most insecticides kill beneficial insect along with pest species. The effect of an insecticide on an insect population of a field hypothesis whether the usage of insecticide may be the factor reasonable of the endangered status of this insect. So our topic is end. So if you are new on my channel and you like this video, so please subscribe and share with your friend. Tech to learn. Thank you.